Make sure it's rolling. Finish your cut. I got to cut a V here. Take your runners. You start the run. You can see I popped it a little bit. And here. You know me, I always like to do relief cuts and explain the value of a relief cut. Here I got the run to here. And I got this run. It's about the same spot. A little bit shorter. But here, you can tap. What you can also do is you take the glass, you flip it upside down, do a few taps that way. What that does, it keeps the score stable. All right, and then once you do that, come in the middle, and one score like that. All right, and from here, carefully start that score, and you can tap on the bottom to get it to run a little bit, and then do the same thing. Tap on the bottom, just kind of letting the glass cutter right. Just like that. Just little taps like that. What you're doing is you're causing the center here to become loose, and the vibration is actually getting that score to run. It's like a score through vibration. By going upside down and tapping, you don't tap on a score because you want to retain that clean score.